Maro. Happy birthday, 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 Maro.
Pila kayo, pila. Pila kayo, Nay.
Happy birthday, Maro.
Ay, pila kami. Ay, Yoshi.
Kumain ko. Hey, happy birthday. Kuya.
Okay, sino pa wala ng bags? One. Okay, kuya yun na po.
Kuya ako.
Yes, sir. Okay, ako pinapunang gift. Open ng gifts na po.
Kanya na, kung naman natin.
Nasa na po.
Birthday siya lang, ano,
Yes. Okay, Mommy. Thanksgiving message po. Or farewell message ako sa Mommy. Okay, wait lang po. May message yan si Mommy from... Okay, si Mike.
Thank you po.
Doon ka lang, doon ka lang. Sabihin kay Kuya.
Thank you po sa inyo lahat sa pag-attend ng birthday ni MK. Thank you.
Yes, palapakan naman natin si Mommy and si Maron. Okay, thank you. So, in behalf of McDonald's Pedro Hill, so, we would like to thank syempre Mommy and the purchase of McDonald's Pedro Hill for celebrating his 7th birthday. And sa lahat ng guests na pumunta, maraming salamat po. And everybody, okay, we would like to take this opportunity na rin para mag-vlog. So, for those who want to say hassle and worry-free, birthday parties, you may call us sa telephone number 524-6210 and look for any marketing team on duty. Okay, and sa lahat ng guests ulit, maraming salamat. Hope to see you again next year. So thank you very much. God bless you all. Bye everyone. Thank you.